Have you ever looked at a leader and thought they've got everything going for them? Not only they are smart, capable, experienced, but at the same time they have built businesses, managed teams, handled pressure, made tough calls whenever needed. Truth is, on paper, they look like thriving. Yet, somewhere along the way, they still don't feel they are moving forward. The interesting part, most people assume that when leaders get stuck, the answer is more strategy. Another business book, another leadership course, another productivity system. But after working with entrepreneurs, business owners, CXOs, and senior leaders for more than 2 decades, I've noticed something. When leaders hit a plateau, the problem is rarely capability, it's rarely intelligence, and it's almost never effort. More often, it's alignment. Somewhere along the way, there's a disconnect between who they are becoming and how they continue to lead. And when that gap becomes larger, even the smartest leaders begin to feel stuck. Today, we are going to explore why. My name is Prerona, founder of Inspire Excellence. Over the last 2 decades, I've had the privilege of working with business leaders across industries. I've helped them navigate growth, build stronger teams, and lead with greater clarity and confidence. And through all these years, I've noticed one consistent pattern. The leaders who grow the fastest are not necessarily the most intelligent, nor are they always the most experienced. More often, they are the most self aware. It's about understanding yourself. That understanding shapes how you think, how you lead, how you respond under pressure, the culture you create around you, and ultimately the results you produce. Let's start with a simple observation. Most leaders aren't stuck because of failure, it's because they are succeeding. Think about it. The habits that have helped you succeed in the beginning often become the habits that limit your growth later. Perhaps your attention to detail helped build the business. Now it's becoming micromanagement. Your ability to solve problems made you successful. Now your team waits for you to solve everything. And so your willingness to work harder than everyone else drove growth. Now you are exhausted and overwhelmed. Sometimes the strengths that created success can become the limitations when they are no longer examined. And that's where self awareness becomes critical, as what got you here may not get you to your next level. Most leadership conversations focus on external factors like market conditions, competition, economic uncertainty, and team performance. These things definitely matter, but there is more into it. Every leader operates through a set of internal filters, ranging from your beliefs to values to your priorities, motivations, fears, and identity. These invisible patterns shape every leadership decision you make. Yet, most leaders spend years understanding their business while spending very little time understanding themselves. That's like trying to navigate a ship without understanding the compass guiding it. And that's why we created the Leadership Compass. What is the Leadership Compass? The Leadership Compass is a specialized web application designed specifically for leaders who want deeper identity alignment, clearer decision making, and stronger leadership presence. It is a copyrighted framework developed through over 15 years of working with entrepreneurs, business owners, CXOs, senior leaders, professionals from diverse industries and backgrounds. Because sustainable leadership does not begin with strategy alone, it begins with understanding who you are at your core. The leadership compass helps leaders uncover the internal patterns influencing how they think, communicate, decide, and lead. Because when leaders understand themselves better, they lead more effectively. And when leadership becomes aligned with identity, growth becomes sustainable. Through years of working with leaders, I've noticed three patterns that appear repeatedly. Let's explore them. Leading from expectations instead of identity. Many leaders spend years becoming the person they think they need to be, the leader their industry expects, or team, or the society. The leader social media celebrates, and slowly they move further away from themselves. They begin making decisions based on external expectations rather than internal alignment. The result? They achieve success, but they don't feel fulfilled. They become effective, but not authentic. And eventually, leadership starts feeling heavy. Because maintaining a version of yourself requires enormous energy. One of the most powerful things leaders discover through the leadership compass is, who am I when I stop performing leadership and simply start embodying it? That question changes everything. Solving external problems while ignoring internal patterns. Smart leaders love solving problems. It's one of the reasons they got themselves successful. But many leaders become so focused on external challenges that they ignore internal patterns. For example, they repeatedly hire the wrong people. They continue avoiding difficult conversations. They struggle to delegate, or they might become frustrated with team performance. The issue appears external, but often the pattern is internal. Leadership problems tend to repeat itself until awareness catches up. The leadership compass helps leaders identify those recurring patterns, not to judge them, but to understand them. Because when you understand the pattern, you gain the ability to change it. Building success faster than self awareness. This may be the most common reason smart leaders stay stuck. The business grows, the team grows, the responsibility grows, and with that, pressure grows. Self awareness doesn't grow at the same pace, and eventually, there's a mismatch. Externally, the leader appears successful. Internally, they are struggling. Decision fatigue increases, confidence fluctuates, relationships become strained. The leader begins feeling disconnected from the very success they created. Why? Because leadership development stopped while business growth continued. And when awareness stops growing, leadership eventually plateaus. The cost of staying stuck? Now, you might be wondering, what's the real cost? The cost isn't just slower growth, the cost is much deeper. You begin second guessing decisions. You lose confidence in your instinct. your team becomes dependent, innovation slows, leadership presence weakens, and perhaps most importantly, you stop enjoying the journey. Many leaders tell me the business is growing, but I don't feel fulfilled. That's often a sign of misalignment, and misalignment always has a cost. When leaders understand themselves more deeply, something remarkable happens. As the decisions align with values, their decision making becomes clearer. Communication becomes stronger because communication becomes more authentic. Leadership presence becomes more powerful. So people sense certainty and congruence. Teams become more engaged and they start following someone who knows who they are. As a result, growth becomes sustainable. The leaders no longer fight with themselves but lead from alignment. Three questions for reflection. As we come to the end of this conversation, I'd like to leave you with three questions. Where in my leadership am I acting from expectation rather than authenticity? Question 2. What pattern keeps repeating in my leadership? 3. If I understood myself more deeply, what decision would I make differently? Take a moment and really think about those. Because awareness is where transformation begins. The reason smart leaders stay stuck is not because they lack intelligence. It's because intelligence alone is not enough. Leadership is ultimately an inside out process. The way you lead others is deeply connected to how well you understand yourself. The clearer you become about your identity, the clearer your decisions become. The clearer your decisions become, the stronger your leadership becomes. And the stronger your leadership becomes, the greater your impact. That's why sustainable leadership starts with self awareness. Before you can effectively lead an organization, a team, or a business, you must first understand the person leading them, and that person is you. If this conversation resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What do you believe keeps smart leaders stuck? And if you're ready to gain deeper insight into your leadership identity, decision making patterns, and presence, explore the leadership compass. Because the next level of your leadership does not begin with working harder, it begins with understanding yourself more deeply. And when that happens, everything changes.